Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 with bigger screen and slim bezels to experience immersive and fuller cinematic picture. It comes in Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Silver color variants. It is equipped with 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. The Galaxy S7 has a 11-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, 276 ppi with 16M colors. 120Hz responsive display instantly reacts to what's on your screen and intelligently adjusts the refresh rate based on your content and helps you save battery as you watch and scroll. The rear camera has 13-megapixel autofocus, 5-megapixel ultra-wide and flash. Front-facing camera has 8-megapixel. It is powered by Android version 10 with the new Qualcomm HDM865 Pro octa-core processor. It is equipped with 8000 mAh battery with 45-watt Type-C fast charger in the box. Battery life may vary depending on conditions of usage. The box includes tab, S Pen, travel adapter, data link cable, ejection pin, user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty.